Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. We have an awesome episode here planned for tonight. So I wanted to break down kind of what's going on here with a couple of stocks, Bed Bath & Beyond and BBBY. Now these two companies have been absolutely going bananas. So we'll start off here with Bed Bath & Beyond, just because I know this is the more popular and talked about company here. So you'll notice here over the past couple of months, we've seen just a ton of volatility from Bed Bath & Beyond. You'll notice the stock has gone from lows at $1.25, and within a matter of a couple of months, the stock has squeezed to $7, a 7x return, which is outperforming a whole bunch of ETF stocks and stuff like that. But the reason why we've seen so much volatility is because the short interest. Pretty much shorting is when you're betting for the stock to go down. And Bed Bath & Beyond has claimed that they were possibly having to file bankruptcy. And when this happened, the stock immediately tanked and went from 2 to 1. And then with all the shorting with the stock, the short squeeze happened. So what happens is when you short a company or when you short a stock, you have to buy those shares back, right? There's no max loss with shorting a stock, because when you're shorting a stock, what if the stock goes to $10 or $100 or $1,000? Comparing to if you buy a stock for $1, the worst that can happen is it goes to $0 and you're only out $1. So what happens is when these stocks get shorted heavily, like Bed Bath & Beyond was, and people start buying it, they start covering their shorts. And what happens is these stocks start to squeeze up. And that's kind of what we've seen. It went from, this $1.40 all the way to pretty much $6, back down to $2.60, then back up to $7. And the reason why is because the short interest right now is at 53%. So 53% of all Bed Bath & Beyond's transactions are shorts, which is heavy. That's heavy. So that's kind of why we've seen, this massive move. Not to mention the company is doing an equity deal for about $1 billion, which is just another fundamental catalyst to fuel the company, get more investors involved and stuff like that to try to save this company. Will it happen? I don't know, right? Bed Bath & Beyond over the past couple of years, they've struggled with a whole bunch of things. Supply chain, they got hit by all the lockdowns extremely hard. They couldn't really focus on e-commerce, where all these other brick and mortar brick and mortar stores really focused on e-commerce. Bed Bath & Beyond didn't. They kind of got sucked into the realm of brick and mortar only, comparing it to Walmart, which Walmart's a powerhouse, Target, a powerhouse, right? These other retailers are super strong with their online presence. Bed Bath & Beyond isn't, and obviously that suffered. Now, should you buy Bed Bath & Beyond? This is a high growth, high volatile, high risk. I cannot stress it enough. If you invest into this, just understand that the company is going to be volatile. Will it hit $10? I don't know. I can't read the future. But, would I be surprised? No. Would I be surprised if this stock hit $20? No. But would I be surprised if this thing went back down to $1? No, I wouldn't. High growth, high volatility. Do I have shares? I have a couple of shares. It's nothing crazy. It's well under, I think it's near and around 0.2% of my portfolio. So for every $100 I have invested, I put 20 cents into Bed Bath & Beyond, which is extremely low. So we'll see what happens. For me, it's just a fun play. But another company here that I wanted to talk about here, this is an AI company. It's ticker symbol BBBY. Now this one here, we'll go ahead and pull it up here, BBBY. This one here is a huge competitor with GPT. Now, we all know the overall rise of, AI. This is why we've seen so much, growth and volatility and all this stuff. So you'll notice they came out with a couple of statements here, pretty much just changes in beneficial ownership of securities. So anytime you have this, you're going to have, high growth, these stocks that squeeze up. It's just another company that's just getting talked about and bought up. Should you buy it? I do have a couple of shares. My average cost is about $3. So we'll see what happens with this one. I invested and I'm looking at it like this thing's going to go to zero. It's a growth stock that carries a ton of risk. And that's what I think is going to happen, guys. But both of these are moving. I honestly think there's more of a short-term opportunity for day trades and swing trades than long-term investment, just due to the volatility that Bed Bath & Beyond will have. This one here is a little different, just because ChatGPT is one of the fastest growing online platforms that we've ever seen. It's already hit 100 million users, which is a lot. And comparing it to like Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, those platforms took months, if not years, to get that many people. ChatGPT took, I think it was near and around 2 months, which is the fastest online presence we've seen from any platform. So we'll see what happens here. But this one here is not ChatGPT. This is another AI company, which is just kind of rallying up just due to that. We also had Google invest $400 million into an open AI company, and they just released some more news with that. So I'm super excited to see where this goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the like button. Definitely a laid back video here. I just wanted to go on, make a quick video really explaining what's going on, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care, everyone.